What's up, van lifers? We are here in the Ekko, or Sprecko, if you will, and it's Mod Monday. So what are we doing for Mod Monday? This is one that we're pretty excited about. Check it out. We got our friend James here. And James.
Hi, how you doing, everybody?
Can you explain to the people what you got going on? What are we doing to the beautiful Sprecko today?
We're making a template for a shelf that's going to hold a sliding drawer that's going to hold like tools or shoes or something like that. Initially, it's just going to be a flat piece of plywood that's going to separate this area from the lower area. Then I can mount a sliding drawer slide or...
And where's the drawer going to come out?
The drawer will come out on this side.
Oh, where the fire extinguisher is.
Right. We'll remove this, and then there'll be a drawer front with these type of latch, with that type of latch to open it.
And we're going to have matching paint and everything, so it's going to look awesome. And we're doing that because that was a huge waste of space down there before. Would you agree?
Yeah, this is going to work out well. This is John's idea for shoe storage.
Yeah.
Which works out really well.
Which was actually Jody's idea for shoe storage.
Yeah.
I can't take all the credit. So
too bad she doesn't get to be on video more often.
No.
You know, she's always
well,
working.
yeah, she would love being on video for this. But yeah, she's a little busy paying the bills. But you know how it goes. I'm trying to pay the bills in a different way.
Somebody's got to work.
I know. All right, we're going to check back later and see how that goes. Thanks. And if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe because it really helps us out. Oh, and don't forget to get your Sprecko merch. The link to all the cool merch is in the description below.